Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
So what I it would the bunga prefer or nehu or arewa or arewa or anything on the or a YouTube a patient owner or the one on boy at they will still spend that money to go and look at him. A shame no one know. I did not dig me a bum don't the reason. Now we did demand a big body look not the yes. What body look no get water. They have bag of rice. Have bag of rice. Indomie, small packet of Indomie and 4 liters of oil. If we don't know one boom. If at this kind of time in Europe, euro now 100 euro is 60,000. A bank where you believe you have bag of rice, we are going to know we are mimi. No man see your way. If we know, it's a shame and disgrace. Emi we know what no na yima etinyama iya ogeti yare udoga i repatio de Monica no i man they interested i man hindi that the people that are going man they ticketing ina gekwa why want to be the same people that will still come to this my platform. But Monica, Monica, I know they will go. When are the DNA test today? When are the DNA test? The same people are interested and going to the facial to go and wash. A life in IT balance. Understand? A life in IT balance. Are we man boom? A big one and it a big one and war in Nigeria or extra go the backup singer. Or when a stage dancer, or by a player, I sign on a contract in on or when a stage dancer, and why are Billy less tied up by no more. Why are Billy Obiere got a dancer? Even a party go on no take quick culture. No, here take cultural dancing in UK. A bigger one, why there big culture? Why are big cultural dance? Or why are regularly tied up by? Manastan. What they are Buwania? It may first record of Nadia. A Monica, Oya Monica Nessa Destiny Bagwaladian. Vogue Monica Nessa Destiny Bagwaladian, Oga Mina Navy. With Destiny Bagwa Black Milivy. Why the hell? Or with Destiny Bagwa Black Milivy, Mina Navy. About the time. Now you see the best webo. I don't mean where a destiny marry if you marry a destiny marry if you want it. If you had the word down your word there in Yagmo, wicked here. Now a nakedness in money, more than social media. I go very guy, or YouTube, if the book way out, when the book I profile picture. Whereas a Monica, if you live here or money one era the destiny. Because of woman, mama. Because of me can you. Because of mommy can you. On a Monica does or Monica. Now, or time again, after we have found out if you need him one than destiny, that nakedness, what not happen to the nakedness? What is not destiny reward? We are the Monica yak beoya, the humiliation or humiliated. The Susi, oh yak with destiny ya. destiny for all the humiliation they humiliated that guy in that period. A Monica Evie, why with destiny ya. But my way yan wow or say yan wow begani. If Baba a bomb will read you ya will be when I with a big pain ma or with all the people Zora or with ve because what are you would done? Wow, career to me. Wow, career no social media. Ule area e wa social media. But wa boy this hell. Wa de na and I make back bomb or see any go back in the word ya. Because we had to the man no yari who in what you wire all. We had to not cocoa one our biasi. No, ya come for even why you are error or less of that only a fiang. One boom, it will make a black. It will make a be do. The reason they want to stay one because Unuwa Emma a how I had done. A how I had book their destiny. That's the reason why you see most of our beneath are running away from you. The highest in your team Unuwa, yes, the Kaiwa and more for. Because what I mean, they are a money area, a money everywhere, and I may get my life. I need to enjoy myself. If I get all the money for this work, I go use and paint my body. I go get I go a money think of tomorrow. You always think of now. But I think of tomorrow, or always think of now. Okunemo nyime. Or tawe who husband has help. You don't need to tell me that you don't have character. Your word that comes out of your mouth will tell me, okay, today, on my woman, this going on. Young player, this going on. Can you the full family had this going on? Can you kije? What is going on? If you picture her like the reason why the money topic now is because of network. Or for Facebook, because you need glint by Facebook. So that you have boom here, when it's high, well, this time around I will talk to our men. At the same time, when you misbehave, they will talk to your man. If we in Yasun Agware Eri Magwan, when you are frustrated with my webo, they will not buy. Inside there, if you're buying man, we know that it's not a small call, you know, small complaint. And you will win high. Understand? Okay. Okbiana. Okubiene. One like Instagram guest. Or I may get Instagram. Or I guess Instagram. Why we can be? We mean one. Or was on a toast. A toasty that ball. They cook your Instagram. Story here do. You can't bridge work. I mean, no, because why the picture is Facebook this morning, why I want that way? Why post this guy picture with his boyfriend? Now again, everybody me meet back. Yam go so be fish. Again na blue again na ona be na be mo pe agbagada. Mo be no dey radio mo be very beautiful boy. We are meaning again. Wa mi na. On my Facebook he posted o ma dey by o ma ro ra guy access it bogi. You know. Monasa. Oh yeah, you know, see gonna be on something. I'm your boy. Oh yeah, we leke. Can you get any a bono ya guyaga? A bono domojine. Nia yin book. Denia Iva, we got know that. Now the man, you know the girl, the family, you know the girl, my problem. The problem you have the girl, or working, or what. Okay. Oh God. Yeah, I why I have got a platform in a while with a joke. People don't know that the word I'm saying is happening right in your doorstep. Only the money carry lolo, you know. The two of them are not cataract, eating themselves. Tomorrow, it will not do day I ever. Okay, I drama. I will not soon. This boy A, and the girl, the baby mama, that see for Instagram, Then they block us. They born. They come. They say they want to marry. They love themselves. They want to marry. Along the line, they say me the boy can't do introduction. The boy can't do introduction. The boy go. The girl papa say the boy bring 200K for introduction. 200,000 for introduction. The boy said 200,000. Go give the girl papa the in-law to be for introduction. Introduction is not going to do. Along the line, this boy, this girl papa get issue with the girl family, with the boy family. The girl papa, these two boys, so they call the day for France, so they France that time. The boy they Germany now. That time they France. This boy and this girl they don't born for each other. The boy we get the boy we friend the girl in father and the girl father they get issue those days for Nigeria. So the issue be say the boy papa go beg the girl, the girl papa go beg the boy mama say I beg me beg your husband make you allow me cut wood for your farm, all those kind of things. You're not good. That quarrel, that anger, see. Now, these two boys, this boy and this girl, they can't jump up for abroad. They want friend themselves. They want married. They don't born for each other. They want married. As the same message go house, they come from and say, hey, okay, we are not. We are not everywhere. No man could me feel I'm going again. The man, the crunch did the man heart. He did the man and the wife heart. The one where did abroad here, any man gaji. The old man, would they call his daughter for year? They talk to him, they poison his daughter mind. He and the wife, they poison their daughter mind. 2 years in husband, we put them for us. We want to do introduction. We want to do marriage. They poison the boy man, and the girl don't get what they come manner. All these things where they talk and so, I talk from experience. The girl, una know me. I know the record person. Since we are doing social media, I know the record person. You understand? But yesterday, when they report this thing to me yesterday night, as I called the girl don't pick. I called on the girl don't pick. Because I look the way the guy talk, the way the guy told the story. I said, okay, give me the girl number, make I hear the girl own voice. Make I see hear the girl own side of the story. Not only you talk your own. Still bring the boy own. Give me the girl number, make I call the girl. Make I see here the girl side so that we know how to talk about this matter. The boy said, okay, no problem. I will show the picture or the girl picture. I'll bring the picture from us. I'm not doing the things, I do my things with evidence. In the girl, then a Vera. What go Vera? Vera. So, Vera. I can't call Vera. I call Vera, call. He not pick. Vera now don't get on that boyfriend. And that boyfriend, they would use the Vera phone. Before you talk to Vera, you go talk, the boy go pay the call first. So, you not take small. The boy can't call me. As he call me, now I pick. Hello. Say hello. Say, please, I want to talk to Vera because the person have boy voice now here. He say anything, what you want to talk to Vera for, who you be? I can't introduce myself as a social media king, but with a smile. I just do my drink. I'm young. I better pass the phone to Vera. I want to talk to Vera. You see what I say? Somebody report her to me. So I need to hear our own side. So immediately the guy must the call. He must the call. He was talking to the girl. So as a sharp guy, as I see the must the call. When will they talk? That's okay. Something's wrong somewhere. Now I could carry the other my phone. Carry this phone. Je connais this phone. Carry this phone. Put up for ground. Congo bring voice record. Come on for the phone. Go select your voice record. Press voice record. And they get carry phone. What did they happen? Anything? I say good evening, man. Based on now, thank you, mama. I always give her that respect. Good evening, man. Somebody can report you to me. So we don't know the father of your baby. They can report it to me. Say, you know they allow and they see in Peking. You know they allow and they hear from a Peking. He can't say whether me not come ask him why. And I say yes. I ask him, say, why your woman not allow you the seed of your picking? He can't say, tell me the reason. Say, you say make him buy phone for him picking. He say yes. Say me buy for him picking. I say wait. Picking of 2 years. Then they want to buy phone for. People never even complete 3 years. Then they want to buy phone. Then want to use phone. He don't finish. Oh, this one don't start up. I don't talk. I don't talk and see. You think will pay me when I see the woman picture? He pay me. All the insult will give me no pay me. The insult will woman pay me, he not pay me. And the picture, as I see a picture, and then I come pay me. So now this rat. Now you insult me. Me go look to and say good evening, man. I said I want to be that person. So what's no problem? So the guy insult me. In the face talking, he end the cuff my ear, bang down. One of the list, you know, where they go. Where I go put it, Papa join, and tell us. He end the cuff my ear, bang. I look, he never allow me talk. Before she end the call, I give her one word. So I say, you insult me. I say, come, madam. I say, madam, wait, madam. The way you talk like you talk as irresponsible woman. The way you are talking now, it shows that you are irresponsible woman. And she caused me end the cuff of my ear. I said, end the cuff of my ear. I said, this woman, it will disgong me. I need to disgong this one back. About what this man not supposed to carry last. I need to fire this woman back. Now I put my hand for the phone. Now I call on. Bang. As I call on, I can press record again. I just like this, I record that bad guy. I can press record. I call this woman. Bang. She no pick. He cut on. I call him again. Now mind you, he don't already call with his small phone for Nigeria. Don't call. She don't call Nigeria. No. As we talk now, you don't call Nigeria. This small conversation. Don't call a father for Nigeria. The boyfriend with the friend as that one of Zurich. As I use the call, the boy press, he pick him. As the boy pick on this bang, next thing, I don't hear voice. A boy, no, when you're president, then they social media president, social media king of social media president. No, go on and be like me here. It all the calls for the background, me the hear and the record. But God. In boyfriend, that one see door, you know, that one not talk. That one just okay the phone. Me they hear the woman voice, when the woman the color calls for me. I see the cause, so the cause the baby father, the man where he born the pikin, where he can report the case to me. If he give that man 6 calls, he will give me 4. You give that man 6, he will give me 4. That's why the guy, the woman, they use calls, they finish me for the call. I just quiet. I quiet, I don't talk. As he calls, they tell you, this one man with the father for phone. You know when they call you, the next thing, now the guy can't tell this woman say, this Vera say, the guy, the bros, they call. They hear you. Now I say, if you don't make it, they hear. No, go kill her. Now the guy quick end the call. So as he comes to see what they make, he made the hear. Now I say, hello, calm down. And the guy had the cough my ear. They block me. You understand me? So, and they block me. So why I bring this issue come? No be because of that guy. This issue is a lesson where many of our men go to learn. As we see good women, that's how we see bad women. As we see good men, that's how we get bad men. But the bad one, not let us know the good one. The bad one for the men, not let us know the good one for the men. As it did for this side, that's what it did for this side. You can imagine waiting this woman, me and the woman picture where they talk so. The kind insult what she pour for me, oh God. See the person where they talk. I see the person where they talk. I this your small rich. This one don't reach to go abroad. This one small rich too. If not be same matter of poverty, if you see in father too, you go no say now poverty really harm them. This one say poverty enter them. Poverty harm them. If you see the father, the man, see the girl father. Now small the girl father doesn't know the girl. Even the boy where you go sleep with that girl, will still give that girl belly. Now child abuse. You know that girl now go. You don't go that if that get too much. That girl marriage 20 years. You see the reason why most goes will they get useless women for Europe. Now tell me, this kind of pikin, this kind of small pikin now, we never ever reach to use phone self. We be say this kind of girl, the day my own family, they don't born you when you carry my house. I'm a BOC. This kind of girl, as this one just reached so, I ban I some more a lot of way. You understand? Now this kind of girl, now in father. Say, you know, if father even say me, he will collect 200,000 for introduction. That's it. You understand me? So, what they giving you, I am going to do say, on a movie, I mean, like boo, no do back, no be again. Near Yafi. Thank God, now. You want to be born in our tenants in Yagina, or when I get to ye, or ye, on this what about we. Not this what about very good, or when I get to union, or ye. Tell me how you go to expect this man now, make you free this girl, make this girl get married, make the girl fit the husband house. Come on, you know, a man now I think give your hand, stay your word at this kind of time. You know go fit. Because somewhere out there as a machinery, don't do be a girl. You understand? No yafiya. Or you can na. This is just a small pikin where you never even know how to wash, how to even knit, make us. How to watch TOT now when TOT no go dey bring order. This girl never know. If you call this girl now, ask this girl now, what are those things you're supposed to buy for supermarket or for pharmacies where you take dey wash your pickles well? We order no go dey pass there they come. This girl no go feel no. I met some never even enter polytechnic. This girl, I met some never enter polytechnic. No talk about they never enter this secondary school. But his father boldly allow this kind of pikin come Europe, come do prostitution, come Europe to come make money for him to take in. Now this man was supposed to pass Libya route enter abroad, not be this girl. This man is supposed to come take a life, risk a life, enter this Europe, come hustle, take care of these children. This is the problem we get for Europe. And you imagine this kind of one now, at this age, it don't become mother of one. It don't become after one, it don't turn after one. As this age, as your small, so it don't turn after one. Madidi Kanda greet you all for a bit. Thank you very much. Oh, why you go more than now? You see the reason why some of our fathers, now some of our fathers, now spoil our mothers today for Europe. Our honorable women who are supposed to be respect, who are supposed to be cherished. Erima or Bekian. Erima you that bomaya. No picking whether they misbehave. Picking they misbehave well. But you go caution them. Now me did this Europe so. They won't miss you 3 times now girl. Now I do marriage so next month. They won't miss you 3 times now girl. Mama will never go one day. Or tell short edited yiba. You say I say gile. Oh, you go going. If you be a carry on, you know nothing. Why sima no monoke na yebi lawa na ya kama we ya kokere ya ukodolowa no ya dollar we wuni. Aga ma mo we na ya lewa omo ga ri owo do iye ri etuta gemi na owo do gemi na ya godo nyi gemi na ya guye do nyi gemi na ya goro do nyi gemi na ya gochi do nyi gemi no ke na eme ya ko omo gwan yi amati wo yo ohun e ga pe sese yo ari ogori chondo ari ogori yodo ari ogori rodo. Those are those things na meji mama ikuwevi and reward. Amaya we and reward. Today, what are we saying? ibeka ya Instagram nyano we ibeka ya ko tedo hadin we are tedo na ibeka ringa ina eka ina pure water the street we are akba we are fiakba all ti bro si ni a who we ti fiakba that tu ti ni a on we ti wa de high for yi high for 4 we know you toyo we are eke ade we wele na eke ade we wele we no yan say popo kwa mila you dey high for 4 na we at is na go ti for 20 or high for 12 high for 11 we no third week I have there ale monoma se no la gbelibia akuya la gbelibia hundu se emi no keke ni ra yetiu ni moyama era o suse aleru se no soi no se vene somo era suse ni moya yusi ni moyama o se ni se o mo ri e no ibi wa suse no wa ya ri e wa to yi wa bebe asiaga awela lord go gbegbe wow la di owo we anya no he station onya no he yada aze so ya kuluboya obe we asiaga that wo edu tawo ye mo ni mi wa ri ope ni ini o kin na aderiye kina mo no territoria e ba ni problem la to mo imede obo do be gede gene mo imede obo do be fu flat me mo imede obo do di moto mo me this is the problem ne ma ye je mo to te de be na the same problem Emma Regina Webona. Also, I mean, I have weak who go away in area because of dead being a yanji. Or to be a yanji. When you want to see what that want to know, but when you want to see the Monica in social media, or I had to know by in hardware. Oh, I have a live video presentation in red. In Nimoriana. No, will not describe a kira, or not describe a Hubie. The social media. No una dego na we dozi. O you baze mo yao, u ya popolele the social media. O ga tell you no, u wet agwala in egbere o. Agwa agbo o na. Aho na siko e. Because e kia wado. Ama we yani ro ma koloa. Nya wa be keko onya e kworo no o te kenia na veria na veria o ki mami free internet ni mo ya ta to live video tale be magina talo ari o no gbe ari o ni mo e mo ni dey respect you yes if we yan dey respect you the way the kind of respect you need it will determine how your children will cherish you. It will determine how your children will cherish you. How can you imagine? Oh, almost 16 years, 15 years. Who are the expect to wear this kind of carry? That has that grown up that boy. Who were ya? Two were ya. Or we could almost say, "Gilly rala bedroom." Or me age no more say, "Gilly rala bedroom." We know you know better. You know. Iya me rai bakwe. I just he was that way or unyo gwen e monica na wonu te otin na no unyo ivie aba oni no madede no ikino khia ya me givera evera no me give what filo mi se kwa ivie evera he ha wo wa no gwen wa be ri opo bi age won yi oyi kekere e kan wa ro do wi ya mo ye o kovenua o gesilema yi wa be go give me wa be go get something if you we ya gun obi ati we be am demand e pe gele mu ji bi no mo ti won obi am demand ya go vera kon wa ya no gbina ere wa e no nero e gbero e o la re o ivie be mo ni ka de gbina go e ge ni vie e vera na chest e wa na me the chest na we the chest ne vera na ro ya ro ku no wa ma go feel me say ko he ni o ta me no why Wa ma hengo filo mi se kwa dibu de warine e wana me no mi wana ho. So why we no wrong like be munda wo po body le we tama u tema tama. O pa ikeji were no kiso agwo ego. If you know how ni there's never a time I go across social media. There's never a time. Bóyá sálẹ̀ tí ẹ ọbaṣẹ́lú yòówé. Ego ẹ̀gbọ́n iná lè bọ̀nù. Pépé àpé fídíò ni iná lè bọ̀nù. Because ẹ̀ha wẹ̀ ma ẹ̀ha náà wò pé ọmúri àgbọ̀n ní pé àdìbò máa ẹ̀. Ọ̀nà miẹ̀wẹ̀ ọ̀nà dẹ́gẹ̀ kékeré ní ọ̀hẹ́ wẹ̀ wọ́n wà náà gbọ̀n. Wọ́n wà náà gbọ̀n. Because it don't there is a lifestyle no I live. Okone kwemu e okwo pe aya yin. Okone kwero a o okwo no pe aya yin. Okwo no pe aya ti ya yin. Okwo no me kwe. Okwo no ga ho emi no kwo ni igbe. Egbo ko do pe aya no dekun. Egbo ko do pe apabuji. Where set vie ne de gbe bedu sedujeni. We bede mi amenu leji seti bi ene degbe e mon we ne gbe bie no mu ye ko for 9 months ya gorian e de ga gbo e we telephone mu ayo le street. I'm just going to work now. I'm a working class lady. What's the people in the bed e we e kale be no we ya hini we tu ya ganu pe o ya ganu pe elu yayi ale bonu Iheno ono we owune ege sene we ono te bi sene we na ono ni de wu o de go we fone no te bi zere lo ina imo ti kedu gbe o de go we fone o ma yiro no yin sene we heni tu ki aga no gbe a o se o kwa ya wa mo da kun o pe wa ya ga na o pe wa ya ga iheno o ge vera ma e vera yive mo mi ha. No, you get cocoa. Whoa, that is better. Vera still have 3 good children who she is still taking responsibility of, even though she abandoned 5 in Nigeria. You understand? At least I'll be able or Tenerife, give where I'm away. Zediabiao, a big boy. Zediabiao, a big boy. Good general, they are good general. We are good general. Yo. Because of your wet one way. Agbo here be agbo ekpetu e mo ni kanu egbe na na mo me agbo wa are ka we yon nya na ofi ogwo eru wa wa dinya ma de ma ogwo na ara ogbo ivi giku ya mu e ga agbo ekpetu na ita mo e ina we ru du ya tem nyogun ge ekpetu mo do zin boy wa o awo no ina we kon na pin ki yogodo ni mo do zin boy wa o oloju koko. Just imagine the kind of lifestyle that you are living at this kind of time when all mothers are rejoicing, enjoying the fruit of their labor. The majority of our single mothers now, they earn nothing less than 800 euros a month from the government with their own children. It's a shame and a disgrace that you, Ivie, your husband, your baby father, is the one earning your sweat. Can you imagine? Anything positive for other women is negative for you. A government has equally be a single mother. You as a single mother, your own a government has paid another for it. Equally more. All single mother, their husband is paying them for taking their responsibility of their children. All the way you are paying your man for taking the responsibility of your children. Is that not a shame for you? What is your problem? What is your problem? My sister. I have the shame for you. Big time. When I go out here, I will be telling people the facts about yourself. Who are total? I don't know what you derive in doing evil. I don't know why you derive joy. You derive joy in doing evil. You enjoy doing evil. You just sit down and frame out where we have blackmail you. That he have been collecting money from you. You have been sending him money. Bring out an account. And between you and God, when we are money one another, I fear not fear you. I fear the people that are still moving around with you. That same people that are still moving around with you, still calling you if you one day you will still put them into trouble. Have it in mind. Why you no gear? Why you no gear when I go bolele? Or one man, why there you want to watch time and why boy? Why in mind when we are sick the more you are going closer to her, you are contacting the demon that is around her. It's the truth. And you have to take a joke. Because the more we are Olivier, the more we have contacted demon on Olivier. It's just the way it is. She doesn't have any positive things that goes around her. Everything that goes around her is negative. Because why? In the coven where she comes from, they derive joy in doing evil. That's the reason why she could still stay and cope with Monica up to now. Because they are better of the same feather. So one the reason why I'm saying this, a lot of men watching my social media now. A lot of men are watching this live video. They know the responsible one. They know the irresponsible one. So it determines on Lele. We are dating. Am I well? If I'm on TV, watch it or watch it. What? Because I don't want to see why. Whosoever you follow, determine where you fall on. Whosoever you follow, it determines where you fall on. Ugarela dia, agi dia. Ugarela go, agi go. Anyone time. Waga we man wale weni. Waga we naze. Udori Monica. Then we Facebook ima. Facebook will misbehave. You see, I have a lot of video. Okay, Monica. I think we more Adam here. I think we know what Adam here. Oze no woba ijoma taunu.
To judge or quick to say, it's okay, let it go, let it this, let it that. And sometimes some people are the ones who bring what people talk about them on social media. Not really like anybody lie on you, you know. So, yeah, what you guys are about to hear now, it's not me that said it to, but it's alarming. Those of you who live in the UK, what do people think we should do about this matter?
Okay.
Should we leave it? Because, you see, this Europe, whether we like it or not, our children, we give birth to them, but they are not our own. And if we happen to see one thing that is not good in children, it is good we say it because children are for all of us. Children are for all of us. And child abuse can only be done in Africa, not in Europe. When we see a child that is being abused, we need to report it as a good citizen. When we see anybody doing fraudulent activities, we need to report it. Don't wait, because when you encourage them too long for doing it, and if they are doing it and they are also bragging about it, we have to report it. You understand? Because it can be your tax money that they are eating and still bragging on top of it, which is very, very bad. And children also needs to be protected. That is why you see when people come to say that a government take my children from me, sometimes I don't feel for them. I keep on saying it because it's what they do. That is why government intervenes. Like what you guys are about to hear now. If somebody should call the government now, will you call the person bad? The people will hear. Will you say the person is bad? No. We will not say the person is bad because we are doing what is the best for that child. This is barbaric. This is horrible.
Okay.
In this Europe, tell me, your 15 years old child, your 12, even 12 years, so 12 years, you can't even see their nakedness anymore. Do you see your children nakedness at 15, 12 and all of that? Let's rub mind together. Let's rub mind together, guys. How much more a son? Do you see your children nakedness running around the house? How much more a boy child? Eh? So share this video, guys, and let's decide together what should we do. What should we do? Should we just look at this one as one more bragado talk, or should we take this one serious? Because this is bad. For me, I don't know how you guys see it, but we all are going to decide together what should we do.
Because this for me is too much. As much as we all want to believe there is only adults that want this thing, some people have their children as their best friends. If they hear this one and the next thing they will do, they will call their children. They will call their children and they'll start telling their children, hey, if your mama do this to you, what will you do? How will you feel? You can ask your child. This is barbaric. Mental health is real. It's real. My fellow African people, go for treatment. Some behaviors are not acceptable and they are not normal.
It's not normal.
A 6 years girl is already saying she doesn't want me to later. You understand? You know what I mean? This is terrible. Hey, God of heaven. My people, it's very disturbing. It is very, very disturbing. If you are going through mental health, seek for go for hospital. They don't kill people there. Doctors, specialists, professionals, they will be there at your service to help you out of it with some medication, and you'll be fine. Bipolar disorder is a disease that you need to care for. You need to take proper medication for it to stabilize your brain so you know what you are doing. Otherwise, you put too many people in harm's way. You will destroy too many people. You will destroy so many people in the process. Please share this video. Let people reason this matter. Let people reason what they're about to hear. And tell me if there's anything responsible in this person.
Okay. Please thumbs up this video. If you're on YouTube, thumbs up this video. What down here? Up with the audio.
Tell me if there's anything responsible in this person. A whole mother.
Okay.
Your children have the right to their own privacy. Your children, they have rights to their own privacy.
Exactly.
That's why when you go out now, they will tell you, hey, don't take my child picture. Why people don't allow it? There are some places you go, they'll tell you, no pictures here. Or for the privacy of the children.
Don't be like this woman at all. Even Monica children, if you watch Monica children, they don't like the kind of lifestyle we want that they live. The body language of those children will tell us that those children are not happy with the way their mother is always on camera 24 hours. Their father, on is already fade. It's already fade. You understand? I'm not talking about if you watch those children, each time their mother, especially when they go out, you listen to those children, those children are always running away from camera. Because why? If you can't imagine and the lifestyle is living and the team or the inconvenience of those children. Now, on web here, what do you do your job? It's not because maybe because we have money, we have a lot of issue. We're not saying this because she and a lot of issue. No, naturally, we honor father, mothers. You understand? Mama, the way we did now, 15 years old picking, I'm not bathing. My own picking will be 15 years now. That means if I feel still the bath my picking at the age of 15 years, I have failed as a man. If you can still bath your own son at the age of 15 years or 10 years, you have failed as a mother. You are not a mother. I tell you, because before that age, you supposed to give that, you will not lecture that boy on how to take care of himself. Or supposed to lecture that a lot of girls they see their menses for 12 years, 13 years. You understand? There are some issues where we say, if they carry out for children, you go bring it up to them. This is how it is. This is how it is. Not they carry and hide. Again, when you're picking go rich, now you go to teach them. If you want to get guy at this age, this is what you need to use. This is what you need to use in case, but once you don't be carried away. This is what you need to be used because of what? A wanted pregnancy to prevent that kind of thing. Those are the kind of moral lessons when you're supposed to teach your children. All those kinds of sex education we're going to give your children. You understand? Don't talk of say 15 years old pikin born, we don't grow for abroad. When we know, say, 12 years old boy don't big, don't talk passive, massive. You understand? If pikin, some stubborn pikin, you even hear that word from you, you go report you. You go report you. I tell you. Go listen to our sister. I say the young.
You don't do that. How much more you use your two hands and bring your own child privacy and put? Welcome back, Special Activities. It's bad. Mothers out there, keep your children privacy to yourself. If you lack words to talk about, talk something else. You can use the way they grow, the things that other people need to know about children growing. You can use it to talk. Not this one you are about to hear. Not this one. This is not something you talk about in public about your own child.
Okay.
No. Please share this video. Where is the phone? Share this video. She needs help. Those of you who claim you love her, she needs help. She do. Let's listen.
He needs help. She really needs help.
Those of you who claim you love her,
Monica needs
help. You guys need to do something.
And
we as social media people, we are going to think about what to do because
is the better thing if there's way you can report on the social, you report on the social. You take the video to the social. You understand? A video you take it to the right place. I say when I look at YouTube man on social, they monitor. You understand? And a blessing. I thought that this year go to change. Choose go to change this year. Okay.
Get by 16, but where she can do what she wants. You can do that.
Social media.
This is not good anymore. These children didn't cost you nothing. Inyama when we now, or when you care about doing Yawa, ya also, ya they beware. Do it again.
Now they hear secrets when they come out so. Now they hear.
Well, we didn't want it. Why are you not using them to make money? Why? Do you know that child labor is a crime? Do you know that?
Now they hear.
Social media is child labor.
Now they hear.
Putting them on the media, are they really working with you willingly?
Oh God.
And you care, Jenna. I want the child protection service. Senior one, they pure straight up. I anyway, Baba, with all this evidence, child labor is an abuse.
Now they hear.
I'm a senior toxic when your blood money. When child protection got to hear all these things, and where are they here? I'm telling you.
Oh wow, anyhow, you don't get no sense. Sense money cannot get.
The word system for them to talk to you. Oluchi, what is it? If you talk too much now, I will block you, and you will not get to hear it.
As a yin talo, you know I thought one only tip me is joy. Yin talo adam yin. Madam Mazan yoni.
Child protection service, when they come for you, it will not be nice. So I've told the other puppies in Ubioki, the words they will do a lot of bad. On your way, I'm here, that's it. Then I cook a young way to the football room, or you see me as I made them say, are you okay? You can try that. You can try it.
Women educated men, women, you know, they like women, they educate women. You understand? Because if I educate them, they know the thing. Now, woman, they talk to woman, so.
If you don't want to keep it, go. And every information they are giving out, you are putting so much attention. You don't even realize, do these people know? Share this video, guys. No, they don't know me. Share.
I know that I've been watching me. You should be able to be smart enough to know the kind of, at least, give me 50% now. If you don't want...
You are begging for 50% for people to... Should they trust you? Should they believe what comes out of your mouth? I don't think so. You don't deserve 50%. Thank you for supporting, but you have to be patient. I told you, when you follow me, one thing you should learn is called patience. If you don't learn any other thing in life, if you don't learn anything on live video, that is my logo. You understand? That's my brand. Patience. Okay? Be patient with me. You understand? If you follow me, that is one thing I used to know you. All right?
But me, I will tell you with full confidence, give me more. I'm a very responsible woman.
She's a very responsible woman, she said. Right? But we are going to listen if there is anything responsible in this person. She said, I'm a very responsible woman. Begging for people to give us some credits. Like,
I'm very organized, very up to date. You see all the friendship I don't do for this social media. Not because I follow the different, but at least the one we could just come with at the Monica friend, you know, those are mommy. Have you ever seen anyone who see my dirty shit?
No, you don't. Lolo, you don't need to laugh at that. I don't want to talk to that. I don't want to address them. All the people we don't make friends with, they never see them who see dirty shit. What who they try confuse now the followers? Who are those people that have been following him with the live on? Just to check how he friends to the live on. The same Vera now, but when I use Vera as example, Vera now when they bring the dirty shit, they come out. The same Vera now. You see, now she go back Vera. May Vera can't join her. Vera play the audio. Now see her. The audio which she go call Vera. May Vera can't join her fight against people. Can't give Vera half bag of rice. Give her half indomie. Give her 4 liters of oil. Not oil. Take me go give the children. And the children not show that food. The husband of Vera not even accept the food. You understand? You understand me? So now the same she still ball out. What to say a full bag of rice. Now you give her. You give her rice, you give her yam, you give her beans, you think they throw away for them. You know when person they talk lie. They entice now when they listen to her. But at the end, if not for audio, we Vera gets. All of us will believe, say, Monica really give bag of rice to Vera. He give her yam, give her beans. And at the end, when Vera come play audio, say, I don't know how you mean. We come see where our auntie come the lie. We can see we our auntie, your team on tawe, eri ye mwekbizene, eri ye munyamuze muzi kurune, eri ye kwewa kune, no do gbina nie. Nyera le tase de ogun ye ti o ma na ma do gbina nie, ye ma ti o ma ye ma me bi o ma. O ke kire e Vera do bodio. Ni Monica do ya tie no do gbina nie. Ona do pe la dia. You ya mo have bag of rice in e Vera he. You ya mo busy muzi kuro. Ebi ya no we mune. A near 10 minutes, I have a bag of rice. A carton is small domi. We do they buy 4 liters of granite oil. Or 10 Monica. Oh, ma, and water of tequinata. And water back home. And what one mina who will take control forever. But you can never control lie forever. For you to control lie, you lie more. You lie to control lie. All the problem in the Monica. The more we are told, the more we are no big gory, we are told in ya, or here big gory, or here big gory, or Garia gory, or Biogi, and water, or be water. If you are there, I will not give you sa. Or we don't recognize tell water. Monica got more dinner, who kill for no day a man, ni be a car, Yaku, who here ye will be, ni be a car, how we read, who demo. Who did la lobo? Who de fe gege? Who di mo paraye? Na me ya fowe. Agu wari ye. Wa ben wa kele webu. Ok ben wa kele social media. Eni ya ngwa social media wa social media ovie vie wo yege no mairo. Mama edere mi pa pataki ni wa e we petu na mo ken talent hard we petu na. Ra ni wa ya gbo bad le wo yi we petu na mama edere. Na ya atogi, na ya amogi ya gbe, na ya gbe na gbiri. Mwen e ban wala dian. Bia ni kede son wala dian. O kike wa yako. O dera gbon ni ya. O dera gbon we na gbon e do kin ya we petu ni. O kan kele ya la dian no anybody no ya grow a page ogbeni Monica yo message to Monica before killing us a page ya grow ne. Anybody na monetize na message to Monica or killing us a page ya grow ne. Hunde no hun of ye vie no deji. Hunda we o hu hundan. O hu pa no deji ja. I looking. Everybody are talking about it. The more you are trying to lie, to cover lie, you will still continue to be lying more. All a problem in me. Udua cannot go well. Udua will nothing to happen. Or for igama gadere. Ahami ho yene. Uho yene ni mamia no wina. Uho yene ni we here na social media na boy we David. When we are togi, ido ya we. When we are togi, ido ya we. Atamu fefewe. Asomi sogodo. Achi wele. Dega gbo. O ma pe de. E ma de. Eru won ori mu bele si ne mu ewu emo ni. O yo le ha ri yo bi egbe na ihun zeku gri. Zeku lawa o no ro wozo. Wayari uzam yu tedo. Wayari uzam gi ko ni ene gbe ro. Ai ko ni ene gbe ya gi ewe wo. Inya ya we ya go na comedy wa heart. Uwe iyo wala wemegwa. O wa we no giver. O can bother you. O can devil you kina. No one we there. No cow we there, my sister. Eme palo. O wa no cow we there UK. Eme palo. O give our every lolo no corner. O be we video we palo. O be we Danny. O be we kitchen. My sister. O we me palo. Ra a kitchen ve toilet we bedroom. He wa renting in the UK. I o one way at the Ohobono. E palero. E aberu mo e palua. Nana mi we o we o a kitchen now video. U le ba o video. U le ba o video. The wa have the gift go. Your lovely fancy the gift mo go. Wa here no boss the we kitchen. Yeah. I will tell you my sister. Don't want to wear muhe. My young one. I want to be muhe. Okay, can be a one. Men see the wise. Monica, maybe they shame. You lie too much. You too they lie. You be lying or bad. They go buy you gift. Na kitchen go buster. You go cook. Na kitchen you want cook. You want wear shirt. Na kitchen you want dress. You and your husband want discuss. Na kitchen you want discuss. The next thing, if you don't reach the evening, you want read Bible study. You go put background. You see how to put my background here. See, put that there. You go put the green background, change the background. For say that's a kitchen. My sister, who you the fool? We don't wise. All of us don't get sense. No one tell water. No one ye platform where you tell water. You want you tell do. You tell do making that day. You don't via no road or too much again. Baby, we didn't like video present the redo. About it, we is going, we're going, about it, or him man too much. About night bagger oil. You to the lie. Ure UK, a UK Nuweji, a lology, a up by kaji, up by car change house. He show us a house, he show us a kitchen, he show us a toilet, he show us a bedroom, he show us a parlor. Now, so person till they live a honest life, true life, sincere life. Even though na one bedroom you dey, let them know say na one bedroom you dey. Don't they drink and sleep? Can't tell us na fried rice you eat, my sister. Lie no dey pay. You supposed to know lie no dey pay. My sister, you too dey lie. You be lying so bad. You be lying, Oba. All way to agree. Hey, you got confused, boy. Because the man we there, we get sense.